Hi there, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit your 3D model in your Unity game. But the editing of 3D model here that I'm going to show you must be done using external 3D editing software. In this case, because I work a lot with 3D Max, I will use 3D Max to edit this 3D model. As you can see here, this mirror object doesn't has something to connect this mirror with the car. If you already watched my previous video, I've shown you that this mirror is correct for this one, but this one is not correct, so I need to edit it. To edit this 3D model, simply find out where is the location of this 3D model. It is the FBX file. Let me open it. It is here inside this directory, and while my editing software is open like this, I can drag and drop it here. Import file. We place it at the center of the scene. Because I'm going to add this little element or object here, what I can do is just to open the mesh mode, click this one and shift and drag to duplicate it, clone to element, and then I need to rotate it this way. Okay, and I place it here. Go back to shading mode, shaded mode, and we are done editing the 3D model. If we want to export it again to save the model in 3D Max, just select the entire object like this and click File, Export Selected, and then overwrite the existing 3D model. But in case we made a mistake, I need to copy this 3D model as a backup. Here is our backup, and we will overwrite this 3D model. So I will open the folder and overwrite this file. Okay, and if we go back to Unity, I expect the model is fixed. You see that it is pretty easy editing our 3D model, and now the model is fixed. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, please leave a comment and I will try to answer. See you next time on my next videos. Bye bye.